also around 7 to 9 months, if you don't have a history of allergies in your family, you can go ahead and introduce fish into your baby's diet.
It is rich in proteins and in fatty acids as well. And it's something that babies actually love because of the texture. It's very soft for them. It's a great source of protein.
And it has a mild flavor. And some examples are, we chose fillet cuts of fish. We've got salmon, turbot, sole, the white fishes are all good. And this one is tilapia, which we're actually going to make today.
You can start with the milk. It's about a quarter to a half a cup of milk.
Okay, so we're just basically poaching the fish.
And you can certainly go in and throw in your onions.
Okay, so we've got, what is this?
1 to 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion. And then 8 ounces of fresh fish. That goes in there. And then that all gets put on the stove.
Okay.
There we go.
Simmer for 5 to 10 minutes over low heat until the fish is cooked through. The fish can then be mashed or flaked depending on the baby's age.